Hey guys, I'm back with another video. It's me, myself, and Irene. If you don't already know me, my name is Irene. Today I just wanted to show you what I bought at the grocery store. I had the checker check me out in 3 separate receipts because I kind of wanted to do what I bought for home, what I bought for the weekend. It's this upcoming weekend is Easter weekend, and what I bought to make cookies and cakes. I spent about $250. Yeah, everything is just ridiculously so high. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with what I bought for home. I got some tangerines, and these were, where is it? Or mandarin oranges. These were $5.99 for 3 pounds. I got some Philadelphia cream cheese. This was, where is this at? Oh, $6.49. I thought it was $7.99, but it was $6.49. I bought some Tillamook cheese. This was $8. It was $7.99. And I went to Stater Brothers because I'm here in California. And Stater Brothers is like the cheaper kind of grocery store, like where if you're on a budget, you go to that store, and it's the closest store to me. I also bought a Parmesan cheese. This was $3.99. I bought this for Caesar salads. And then I bought some deli meat. I know I'm probably gonna get some comments down below for buying this junk butterball turkey. This was $14.99. No. Where is this at? Turkey. Oh, this was $6.99. And then I got some, this was $14.99. It's ground turkey. And then I bought some red onions. If you haven't already seen these, I make them from scratch. I slice my red onion and soak them for 3 minutes exactly in hot water, boiling hot water. And then I take them out, and then I marinate them with white vinegar, salt, and sugar. And the vinegar turns, salt, sugar, white vinegar, and a little bit of water. But your water vinegar turns red because of the red sliced onions. I just thought I'd buy some and try them. And then I bought some yogurt because I make these little yogurt bites. They're frozen yogurt bites. I mix this up and spread it in a ice tray, and I make yogurt bites for my grandbaby. She loves them. But anyways, wait, I was gonna say, I don't think that's all. Hold on. I also got some of these. They're called Corners. They're just like corn, kind of like those corn, what are they called? Corn cakes. But these are with white cheddar, and they're like chips. They're a little bit thinner than the corn cakes. And then I bought some white cheddar popcorn. And then I bought these salads, and they were $5.99 each. And they have croutons, chicken, dressing, and cheese. And then this one has fried chips in it because it's a Southwest style grilled chicken. And then it has romaine lettuce. But I got 3 of these, and then I was gonna put them back and get the 3 for $12, but these were only $5.99, and they're huge. They're way bigger than the other ones. So if I don't use all of the lettuce, I can always add croutons and cheese from what I already have. So I ended up getting the big ones. 3 big ones. And is that it? I think that's it for home. And that was $100. Yes, y'all, $100. For salads, ground turkey, mandarin oranges, a little bit of lunch meat, and some chips. So let me get to this other one over here. I got some stuff from the Dollar Tree, so I'm not gonna show you that right now. This was also, no, this was only, but this was the $50 purchase. So for my cakes and my cookies, I had to get some Jell-O, and these weren't like the best price, but they were the best price there. These were 2 for $4, so $2 each, and I got 4. So this was $8 just, you know, for Jell-O. What do you call it? I was gonna go to Walmart and get them. I think they are $1.50 to $1.97. I can't remember exactly, but I didn't want to go to all the way on the other side and go to Walmart for, I think I might have saved a few cents if they're $1.97, or $2, I guess, if they are only $1.50. And then I got some strawberries, y'all. So this was $3.99 for, this is 1 pound of strawberries. But tell me why I literally had to dig through 5 or 6 different containers of strawberries. I hope everybody washes their strawberries, because I literally opened 5 or 6 different strawberries to get every single strawberry in my container red and usable, because I was not about to bring home 1 pound container of strawberries and only use half, because the other half are either white, not sweet, or rotten. So I'm the one that picks through 5 or 6 containers of strawberries in the produce section. I got 1 look, but whatever. She should be doing it too. So I bought the strawberries because I'm going to make a strawberry white. I'm gonna make a strawberry white chocolate cream cake, and I'm gonna use fresh strawberries. And then I got sprinkles for my circus animal cookies. I got milk for the pudding and for the cakes. I got 2 boxes of cake mix, and they were $1.99, so $2 each box. I got fresh bananas because I'm gonna make a few strawberry pudding cream cakes. I got 2 of the Cool Whip. These were 2 for $4 or 2 for $5. Let me double check. These were 2 for $5. And then I know for sure these would have been cheaper at Walmart, the pastel color M&Ms, but I bought them anyways at Stater Brothers. I probably would have been able to get these for probably $3.99 at Walmart. Correct me if I'm wrong. I hope these aren't like $3.49 at Walmart, because I paid $5.49. So if they are $3.99, so almost $4, I guess I could have saved $3, and then with the pudding I could have saved $4. But I'm gonna double check Walmart and see how much these are. Hopefully I didn't overspend on those. And then, is that all I got? Yeah, because I already have eggs and I have some milk. But that was $50 just for the M&Ms, bananas, pudding, strawberry, Cool Whip, and milk. And then I'm gonna have guests over on Saturday. So I bought lemonade. I bought some chuck beef for birria tacos. I bought red potatoes because I'm gonna make a potato salad. I bought celery, onion. Oh, yeah, I got some corn chips because I'm going to make a jalapeno and cream cheese dip. That is so good if you haven't already, if you don't know. I should probably make a video on how to make that because it's so good with Frito-Lay corn chips. I got some chopped onions that I'm gonna put in the sauce. Oh, and I bought these birria bombs from Costco. I think this is like $20 for 3, and I took one to my daughter who lives in New Jersey so that she can try it. But you use 1 ball for 4 pounds of chuck beef. This is gonna be my first time trying it. I think I might record that video as well because, record the process because, yeah, this is my first time trying it, but supposedly all you need is the 4 pounds of meat and 1 chili bomb. So I got that at Costco for $20 a while ago. And then I just wanted to show you what lemonade I got. I got these lemonades. I got 4 of them because I'm going to make strawberry lemonade for my guests. I bought it pre-made because I have to work and I don't want to have to do too much stuff. That's why I'm just doing the birria, because you can put it in a pressure cooker or in a big pot and let it cook all day, and I don't have to do like a hustle and bustle over the stove. And then I have a grill, flat grill outside, so when I make the tacos I can do it outside. But I bought this for the strawberry lemonade. I'm just going to add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar and make a syrup. And then I bought mayo, and I bought some tortillas, and I bought some Stater Brothers pepper jack cheese. Oh my god, this is the hottest pepper jack cheese I've ever had. So if my guests want spicy, we're gonna use these, and then if not, I just bought regular Monterey Jack cheese because when you grill the tortilla and the birria meat, if you want a queso taco, you add the cheese. It's really, really good. So here are the potatoes. I got a 5-pound bag of potatoes. And then I kind of wanted to see how much chuck beef I bought because I didn't have the bombs with me, so I didn't know how much meat to add. So I got 2.36 and 2.62, so I have 5 pounds of meat, and I hope 5 pounds will feed 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 adults with some potato salad and some Mexican rice. And then I'm gonna have desserts and chips and dip. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that this other purchase for Saturday was $100 as well. It just blows my mind between grocery shopping and gas. I'm broke. I mean, you can barely have family over, and you know, cook for them without literally spending this much money. It's crazy. So anyways, guys, I hope I have enough energy and time to record the Bedia Bomb preparation and the jalapeno cream cheese dip for you guys, because, well, if you know about the Bedia tacos, you know those are bomb. And what do you call it? The jalapeno cream cheese dip, bomb. If you haven't already tried it or made it or know about the recipe, I will try to get that out to you as well. Again, guys, I haven't been here for a while, but thank you for watching. I will see you soon.